Hey guys, welcome to my pool party Barbie doll house. We definitely need to have a pool party here. Look who just came in. It's Puppy. Oh, I just love him so much. Good morning, Barbie.
Good morning. Do the best and wash my face. Do the best and wash my face.
Okay, time to brush my hair and then I'm going to be all set. Okay guys, let me give you a tour of my pool party house. Okay, so here is my living area. This is my dining table. I have a front door here and Puppy can come through at the bottom as well. Then we're gonna go over to my kitchen where I cook all my delicious food. Down here, I also have a cake in the oven. Yes, we are getting ready for the party. I also made a pizza and some muffins because my friends love to eat. Let's take a look in the fridge. Oops, I think I need to do some grocery. I only have milk and egg, but that's okay. Over here is my living area where I can watch TV and chill. So cool. And the pool is just outside. And that's where the party is going to be. Okay, guys, let's go up to the second floor and see what we've got. Come on, Puppy, where are you? There you are. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome to the second floor. Here I'm going to show you guys my lovely bathroom. So right here I have my shower, my golden shower, and my toilet, of course. Oh yes, it flushes. Over here I have my face bowl and my big mirror that I use to do my makeup. Yes, Puppy, thank you. I didn't forget the bedroom. Let's show them our closet first. Here I have some hangers for my clothes. Oh my goodness, I need to get my clothes out of the dryer, but check out my pink palms. So cute. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the bed. And of course, I have bed for me and bed for Puppy. And this nice little picture here with Puppy's face on it because who doesn't love that cute little face of his? Okay, let's go up to the third floor. Okay guys, welcome to the third floor. This is one of my favorite floor of all. This is where I watch my movies and I just chill. I have this big nice sofa chair here and I sit here with my favorite person in the world to watch my movies, of course, and eat our popcorn. So yummy. Okay, so next to me, I have a puppy slide and her doghouse that she absolutely loves. There's my friend Lisa. She's swinging in the swing. I'm gonna go say hi to her using my very awesome slide. Woohoo! Hi, Lisa. Oh no, look at the time. I need to go shopping for this party. Guys, it was really nice hanging out with you guys, but I have to go. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. This was really awesome and nice. I spent some really good time playing Dollhouse with my daughter, Michaela. Ever since baby was born, I feel like I haven't really had a one-on-one with her, and this was a great opportunity and she really loved it and we both had fun.